Guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan saya Om Jimus. Oke, di sini saya akan menyuting. Wah, menyuting. Orang lempar foto rumput. Ini tepi jalan, guys. Ini mesinnya, knalpotnya itu suaranya banyak bising, guys. Dia knalpotnya dicopot biar nanti fotonya kuat, tapi ya telinga rusak. Oke guys, kita lihat. Oke guys, ini dia punya knalpot, kasih copot biar kuat motonya guys. Jadi ya suaranya begitu keras. Ini dia potong sini sampai sana. Oke, kita lihat. Banyak bising guys.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. what's left. The storms we chase are leading